Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a moonshot photo on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So here I have the Galaxy S22 Ultra point to the moon. So first let's just open up your camera app on your S22 Ultra, and in here tap on the Photos tab at the bottom. And in photos, what you want to do is to point at the moon and then zoom in around 60 times. Now you don't want to zoom all the way into 100. Now although you can zoom into 100, you can see it is quite hard to focus on the moon. And there is a zoom window at the top here that helps you zoom into the moon. It's still quite hard, so what I do is I zoom in at around 60x. So here, just zoom in at around 60x. And then kind of like try to focus on the moon and tap on the shoot button. If you have a tripod, that's great. If you don't have a tripod, that's fine. You still can try to keep a steady hand and then just tap on the shoot button. And I'm just going to have a focus on the moon again, and then use the shutter button and then take a photo. You need to keep a very steady hand. You can also use the viewfinder up here to locate your moonshot. Okay, so if I try to zoom in a little bit more at 100x. Now let's take a look at the photo. This is at 100x, as you can see, at 100x. And this moonshot is at 60x. It is a little bit dark on that photo right there. If it's a bit dark, we can always try it again. Now again, we can zoom back out. So pinch in and zoom back out, and then zoom right in. So we zoom right in at around 60x. You can also use this slider bar here, and then we'll try to focus on the moon. It is a little bit cloudy tonight. The sky isn't perfect, so you can see the moon is not as bright as usual. Alright, so I'm going to put the brightness on my phone because the brightness is now very low. And okay, the brightness is on, and this is the moonshot right here. And that is how you can take a moonshot on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Simply zoom in at around 60x and then point to the moon, have a focus, and then just tap on the shoot button. And here are some other pictures. This is at 100x, as you can see before, and then we've got this one here at 60x, which is still pretty good. You can see there are craters on the moon right here. Some days actually give out better photos depending on the night, if there is a clear sky or not, or if there is a little bit of cloudy, then the shot will not be as clear. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.